Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ann and Anu. Today we are cooking coconut beans. Here are the ingredients. We have half kg of beans pre-boiled. We have tomatoes. I have diced 3 tomatoes, green capsicum, light soy sauce. We will need 1 tablespoon of the light soy sauce. We have the curry powder, garam masala, royco powder. We have 3 diced onions and 3 tablespoons of oil. I'll need 1 tablespoon of honey. And finally, here is our main ingredient, the coconut milk, or in Kiswahili, tui la nazi. Let's begin our cooking, guys. Let's allow our onions to cook until they are translucent. We are back, guys. Our onions are ready. For those of us who don't like hearing the hohos or the green capsicums when they are crunchy, here is where we put our hohos to cook. Let's add them. Let's allow our green capsicums to cook. And as our green capsicums cook, let's add our garlic. I had grated 2 cloves of garlic. Let's allow our garlic and the green capsicum to cook together. By the way, guys, I made the coconut milk by myself. It's an homemade coconut milk. And nilitengeneza bila mbuzi. Kwa gwiji wa Kiswahili wanajua mbuzi inatumika kutengeneza nazi. So, I took my coconut, I grated it, then squeezed the milk out of the coconut. I'll be showing you soon on how to make an homemade coconut milk. Guys, our green capsicums are ready. Let's add our tomatoes. Let's stir. Guys, we need our tomatoes to be completely cooked. We will let them to even form a thick paste of tomato. Guys, I forgot to introduce this important ingredient, which is salt. You just add your salt according to. Guys, our tomatoes are ready. Let's add our spices. Our spices have been marinating for about 1 minute. Let's add our beans. Let's mix. Guys, there is some sweet aroma coming from the spices, cooked spices. Normally, when cooking our beans, when we get to this stage, they are usually almost ready. But because we are doing coconut beans, we will have to add our main ingredient, which is the coconut milk. But before we add our coconut milk, remember our honey. The reason we are adding honey into our beans, it's because, guys, we have added some many spices, and to neutralize them we need some honey. And remember, beans are usually acidic, although I'm using the yellow beans, which are usually less acidic. But to neutralize it, you add honey into your beans, and we are adding a tablespoon of honey. Here it is. You mix well so that you incorporate your honey and the beans well. Guys, remember our soy sauce. We still have not added our soy sauce, so let's add a tablespoon of soy sauce into our beans. Let's mix well. Finally, let's add our last ingredient and the main ingredient of our meal, which is the coconut milk. Let's mix it well. And also cover it to cook. Our beans are ready. Look at this thick paste, thick soup. Guys, I wish you were all here, because this food smells so nice. Let's serve it, guys. Guys, our beans are ready. Coconut beans are ready. Let's have a taste. Guys, this food is so tasty. I think you should just try this recipe, because it tastes so good. It tastes so yummy. You can hear the taste of the coconut milk, the green capsicum. Like, guys, you can literally feel the taste of every ingredient that we have put in our coconut bean. So guys, try the recipe. Tell me on the comment section how your recipe turns out. Yeah, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. God bless you. Subscribe, like, share and comment. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Thank you guys. Bye bye.